This video is gonna be long. This is the first part of the explanation how we do the living room area. Sonia is disinfecting the living area using a backpack electrostatic sprayer. In this video you will have a lot of information. Before doing this job, a week ago we went to do the estimate. And this is the second time that we do this house. 1 year and 1 month we did the whole house, top to bottom, disinfecting and cleaning all the surface. The difference between then and now is that they didn't remove the garbage. The last time we did the whole cleaning, but it wasn't the garbage on the floor. So why using an electrostatic sprayer instead of a regular pump sprayer? Because the electrostatic sprayer has a technology that will spread evenly the disinfectant and it's not too wet, but it will wrap the surface and disinfect in a better way. The product that we are using is a vital oxide or vital oxide in español. We using some suits or coveralls to protect ourselves. And you may ask why she is disinfecting when you are seeing a lot of garbage on the floor. Because we do many times a disinfecting process. The first time we disinfect for ourselves to eliminate more risk or any kind of bacteria, things like that. So we disinfect for us to enter to the house and minimize the odor. The disinfectant, the vital oxide or vital oxide, help not only to disinfect the areas, but eliminate the organic odor. In this house has cat and a lot of organic odor because there was pee and poo on the floor. We use mask and glove. When Sonia finished the area of the living room, the guys enter using a complete suit with the shoe covers. And we bring our equipment to start pulling out all the garbage. We are using a leaf rake and also a plastic shovel. We pick it up everything that is notable, that is not garbage, like cables, things like that, to separate. But most of the things that was on the floor was garbage. Using a plastic bag and a stand give us the ability to be fast. The garbage stand help us to move fast. What I mean, the last time that we did a hoarder house, we bring a big plastic container and we put the bag inside the container. When we fill all the garbage inside the container, it was harder for us to remove the bag from the container. So this is the reason why we create this stand rack and we put a clear bag so the owner will know what we are throwing out. Some people are really concerned of the things that we throw out. This client not, but just in case we always record our job. Before doing the job, we order in Amazon the trash bag holder or the leaf bag support stand, but they delivering to the wrong address. I paid $25 and I didn't get it on time for this job. This is the reason why we created this stand with a plastic ula from Dollar Tree. The stand is a metal stand that we have in our shop for hand sanitizer. So we use the hand sanitizer stand and do adaptation and hold with some tiras the blue and red Ula Ula from Dollar Tree. Then we put the back and some clips to hold the back. It was efficient, it works, and it was cheaper, so I think that I'm gonna return the other lift back support stand from Amazon. Another thing that you have to consider when you are doing this kind of job is to plan before doing the job. After the estimation comes the planification. And the planification is you have to write everything that you need for this job. How many suits do you need? How many people? How you're gonna do it? Which type of equipment you are gonna use? We don't use the same equipment from regular houses. Heavy duty is different, but this is more a hoarder house. And there is many types of hoarders, mild hoarders, and this is the case. The vacuum that we are using right now is an Electrolux power nozzle from the carpet attachment that we did an adaptation that works with our truck mount. This is a filter, an inline filter that we use, and we collect all the dust, bed hair, grime, because we don't want to damage our truck mount. And this is how it came. The living room area, it was dark, so you cannot see, but behind the sofa, clear, clean, it smells decent. It was disinfecting and everything was really good.